Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. TikTok's richest Magodu Leleti Nkosi's husband, uSiyabonga Nkosi, is allegedly linked to an Eskom case where my assets, labita 76.5 million, were frozen, including 17 properties, netimoto leti bitago, angitshele njena, ma properties like 17, uwendani ngawo. Hey guys, the greed. Kuthi uyabanzakanyeka ku Eskom ngemshosha phansi bewawenda ku Eskom kuthiwa bhudi bekuthiwa athenga ama parts athenga ama parts iphathi nje lebita 184 rand bekangamind ukuthi aclaim ukuthi ibita 50k baloku bambadala njengoba sibona they are living large baphila impilo. Hey, ungayinabeli into yemuntu bukade yakhala manje tiku loudspeaker. Yatika abanye abantu ku-easy kubona ukuthi there's something off ngale mali lelo muntu abanemali lengaka, but anyway isitothini kuyothiwa sinemona uyatrenda nyalo uSiyabonga nomfati wakhe ulele duze wavala ngisho ama-comment section because abantu bafuna kumbuta ukuthi hey wena igezi idura kangaka nje wena nemiyeni wakho nibhizi niyasiqola. Ayikushubile South Africa maloya nje this year ngathi atosebenza overtime kuba iloya lo mnyaka cha ngazi ukuthi i-career right because loweza gonna have money because akumaqala kuma-corruption naba abantu baseMzansi nabo bayatikhulumela.
Yebo uyanisizohleba nakho kuthi uSiyabonga Nkosi uyathinteka kweze corruption mayelana nakwa Eskom. Kuthiwa ke uSiyabonga sekufrizwe 76.5 million nama properties kuma properties awu 17 SIU njalo yenza konke lento nemonto ezo7 thiwa zama luxury cars kubuthintakala oLamborghini nezinye. Ubani uSiyabonga phela we guys umkhonyana ka Leleti Nkosi. uLeleti Nkosi the one and only badi esihlale siyibona ipost alana ku TikTok eveza imondo zobukhazikhazi nama trip aku Paris ama trip yabona phezulu ko Italy. Yebo guys kuthiwa ke uSiyabonga hayi uyathinta kwezenkohlakalo iSIU iyona ke eyenze yonke le nto le kuthiwa imondo kwathiwa freeze imali konke freeze. Wenzeni uSiyabonga? Hayi uSiyabonga ubekade esebenzisana noEskom. uEskom ubudingani ama parts okulungisa amanye ama power station, so businessman ke ubekade ba provide ngani ngalawo ma parts. Eskom ke bengumkhokhela ke uSiyabonga Nkosi for leyo nto leyo ke. Uma umkhokhela uSiyabonga wadinga wakhetha ukwenzani yena ukungabi neqiniso, wasebenzisana nabantu phakathi kwa Eskom allegedly times that nziwe iqhinga lokuthi into ebiza u200 rand beyibize malini u50,000. Niyangizwa kodwa ukuthi ngithini ngenze example. Ekwenziwani ama-order amakhulu ke kuthiwa ke behlukanisa phakathi kusetshenziswa amagama ama-fake kufakwe ama-numbers wama-fake uEskom wona wenzani uEskom ulokubhadela thiwa ke hayi ke umnumzana uNkosi umkhonyana kaLeleti ubenzani ngaleyo mali thi ubethenga izindlu ama-property imonto kuthengiwa izinto ze-luxury nje hey bekuphilwa impilo yobukhazikhazi. Thiwa ke ibibonakala phela kumkakhe kuthiwa phela uNkosi wadivusa umkakhe waqala loya walanda ibhedi ngoba phela imali ayidleki nomuntu kazana mele kube khona ibhedi limhlophe phakathi kuzodliwa nale imali. Ngithi uyaqonda guys SIU ke yona mayenza uphenyo ke kwatholakala ukuthi ama-price ama-fake ku-abuse system imali yekiwe. iSIU ke ithi ke imali ayibuye ithi imali ifuna imali back. Yenzeni SIU ihambile ecourt yayicela imvume yokuthi kufreezwe imonto zalomuntu kufreezwe imali kufreezwe ama-property kuzosiwa necourt. Kunecala ke lana kupossible ukuthi mangatholakala guilty uzoboshwa injalo nje ayijiki futhi. Engathuthi ke naye ke uMrs Nkosi kuthiwa ngazathi usedelethile phela lapha na ku Instagram nezinye izithombe engathi kuthiwa ngathi ayisekho impela nje. Hey kubi ningalahli.
Hayibo indaba engaka guys ugesi ubiza kangaka kadi Ulele's husband, Ola. Did you guys hear the latest? I cannot believe indaba engaga, guys. Lapo, it is alleged that they stole 76 million rand from South Africans, guys. Go Kesi. SIU freezes 76.5 million in properties and 7 luxury cars in Eskom-related alleged corruption. SIU has secured a preservation order from the Special Tribunal, freezing 17 immovable properties worth 76.5 million rand and 7 luxury cars linked to a businessman, Siyabonga Moses Goodwill Nkosi, who is married to the famous Instagram influencer Lelethi Nkosi, known for her luxury lifestyle. We are very well aware of Lelethi, guys. Do you guys remember Lelethi and how she exposed people that were coming into her husband's DM not too long ago, guys? And by the way, guys, do you remember that she was allegedly a homewrecker, guys? Her husband, that is now allegedly linked to corruption, was married prior to marrying the influencer baddie. Or is she even a baddie, guys? Because, I mean, her content wasn't giving baddie. It was giving that rich wife that should be on The Real Housewives of Durban. That time, people didn't understand why she does not want to be on The Real Housewives of Durban. Though it's coming out now that all those luxury cars and all that property was attained through corruption. Before Lelethi can even act villain, she also once broke her home and was in the shoes of those she's exposing today. Lelethi dated Siyabonga Nkosi and became a side chick to him while he was married to Thandi Nkosi, who later packed her bags and left the marriage because of Lelethi. Remember how Lelethi had trended, guys? This was the last time she had trended, how she'd come for people that were DMing her husband, exposing them and saying that they want her lifestyle. And other people were coming to her defense and also agreeing with her that they just envy the lifestyle that her husband has introduced her to. Beguning bazalwane, beguning. Instead of delivering reliable service, Nkosi's companies delivered invoices. Eskom officials signed off on contracts that priced relays at 50 rand each when the market price was between 180 and 450. This manipulation resulted in a direct financial loss of 73,650.994,087 to Eskom. Damn, the way the girlies were envying Lelethi Nkosi's life, Kanti, is corruption money, allegedly. My theory still stands. SIU is working with IG buddies, or they're assisting them, because every time I open that page, it's usually a man associated with an IG buddy being exposed or having their assets frozen or getting investigated. 76 million now, bro, when people steal, they don't play. Aibo, our TikTok rich wife. Every day I'm learning not to envy people's lives. Lelethi Nkosi was living large. These are all the properties and cars her and her husband Siyabonga had acquired. Aibo, electricity is so expensive, Gandhi, it's them. Orange overalls all over, please. The girl has been living large with farms, luxury cars, big houses and all. Gandhi, the husband is chowing Eskom's money. If you really want to catch tender looters and criminals, stop playing around, go straight to their Instagram, baddie accounts and start digging. Investigate, question, connect the dots. I'm telling you, you'd crack open a lot of cases and we'd probably need more prisons. While the competent struggle to get work, such should be classified as treason. How does the system allow something like this to go undetected for 3 years? Imagine how government officials are like him. People don't play, guys. You see them driving big cars and stay in nice houses. All this is the result of stealing. Gosh, I'm not broke, just not corrupt. Corruption, guys. You've been envying people's lives that are corrupt.
Akho country ebhizi njengeyethu kodwa. Hey, sithi sisakhuza le kuvele enye, sithi sisamangazwe yileyo kuvele enye. Imilomo itsoro oko sisithi yu. We were busy trying to figure out ubana uGareth Mnisi uzibhadala kanjani ezi properties zakhe plus a fleet of luxurious cars. Boom! Kuvela uSayen uyacomplaina uthi ibhenki zifreeze accounts zakhe and akazazi ba zifrizelwe ntoni. Hayibo. Fake amnesia. Anyway ke uthi umntana akazazi bazifrizelwe ntoni, uthi bafuna ukwazi ukubana imali yakhe uyenza kanjani. Hey, uSayen ke ngulo othenge iproperty ka10 million. Anywho, sathi sisajonge leyo. Kwavela le ndoda kaLelethi Nkosi, our TikTok richest makoti. Andanoba nisamkhumbula na intombi apha eyayinendoda eyayishelwa ngodoctor abathile ku-inbox ku-Twitter.
eba-expose apha ke laa ntombazana lo oflasha izinto zakhe ii-assets zendoda yakhe apha ku-social media uthengelwa imoto oko ngumyeni wakhe, your Mercedes Benz, your BM moto nje. Indoda yakhe ke ngoku iyabandakanyeka kule kokukhwabaniswa kwemali e-Eskom. Assets zendoda zifriziwe, assets worth 76.5 million. Guys, imali ezibizwa pha ayini. Anyway, ezo assets ke they worth 76.5 million. So they owned 17 properties and 7 luxury cars. uLilith nendoda yakhe. Maseke ke ngoku uyabotshwa. Uyasinda ke ngoku yena uLilith. Isn't she an accessory to a crime?
Bathi kuyasha entsabeni umndeni wakaNkosi uthi niwaye inhloko njengoba iSIU ifrize tindodabo siyabonga Nkosi leti balelwa lapha kubo 76.5 million ma properties timoto konke ngisho namabhenki mina perhaps allegedly kusho yona iScom ithi hayi phela wona siyadumisa tintakho ngoba kusolakala ukuthi wena uskeme or ukhothe imali eningi mawena amathenda lapha iScom ngisho lapha ekusile eWitbanks nalapha eMatla ukhothe kakhulu bo deliver ama relay ile 1 ibita 180 rand but wona bo charger 50,000 rand perhaps irelay Nkosi yami perhaps so kubi kakhulu siyabonga Nkosi ngilomunye loshade naleleti Nkosi lophila impilo lesezingeni lesetulu lempilo lofisa yona wena yebo nyalo kumatima kakhulu impilo yabo imile bathi banjwe speed trap bathi hayi ngijima kakhulu like sithi sinibhale kancane bamile kancane babamisele eceleni SIU isabhizi nalokuphenya but bathi kukhona lokunye labakutholile so tindoda yabo tifriziwe timile bathi company yabo lethi sibonga kukhanya bathi le company libonga kukhanya but labanye abantu abakuthola ikhanya le ngenxa ukuthi nina nicharge kakhulu inkinga yenu nilimata umphakathi perhaps nawe bona njengoba usabridge igezi lapho iScom ita ufreezer tindakho
guys aningitsheleni kwenzakalani emhlabeni hayi no South Africa emhlabeni. What in the movie is this? People are getting arrested left, right, and center. I was telling my friend today, hey, ungahaleli impilo yomunye umuntu. Don't envy and wish upon other people's lives, because I was telling my friend today, I was telling my friend, a lot of people that we used to look at and go, look, their life. And then the bad thing about envying somebody else or wishing you had their lives, you lose focus on your life. Because there were people at some point that I looked at and I lost focus on my life and I felt like an underachiever. Where people are rocking the McLarens, the Rolls Royce, the real Ross. And I'll be in my G-Wagon and still feel like I'm an underachiever. Ababoshwa. And I'm like, rather take a snail pace, legit, than take a cheetah's place, excuse the pun, a cheetah, the animal, and the cheetah's speed illegally. Ababoshwa. I remember some of them, I would bump into them on Emirates first class bafethu. And I'm thinking, baphila kamnandi, bahamba namachoma abayi-8, amachoma ababhadalelwe, baphethwa iluggage yakhona. And I'm like, it means you need to work hard. Now uzoflyisa amachoma akho. That time, it took me months to save for that ticket. Woo!
I've had this conspiracy theory for a while, and I'm starting to think that it's not a conspiracy theory, that these baddies are actually secret operatives for the SIU and for SARS. And once the girl starts saying small girl, big God, I think that is a signal to the SIU. Like, once the girls start posting small girl, big God, I think that is like a keyword to be like, retain, understand? Because proximity to baddies is directly proportional to SARS and SIU investigations. So, to me, a plausible explanation is that these law enforcement agencies are sending these baddies to these gabengas because they have no other way to infiltrate or get in. So guys, maybe we're blaming the baddies unfairly. Maybe the baddies are doing country duty, guys. They're doing country duty. Aye, man. I need somebody, please just come and whisper in my ear from those organizations. Just come and set my mind at ease. No, my sister, this is not a conspiracy because so Bila, once you get with a baddie, once you are linked to a baddie, just start counting your days. Wait to go pitoro kraba botsa heba o ntsheditse number o kra hona le motho tlo fitlang a botsa hore T minus 10 days o itse hore bona day 10 di wa ka wena.
Lena le rile o re be le tšhelete ya o reka di mention le di Lamborghini le sanne re be le Noah le hopola la re no o ba le room wa tsene motho nambilo wa ba le Noah ka kwa wa jesha Noah mahobe kanti tšhelete o itšea botse ko stating of the house wa utswa di-state funds wa misappropriate di-state funds botse so nna nkebe ke knowing eo ka gore lena le re tšhelete ko knowing nkebe ke knowing ke benjele ke le kae le bona gore mare le tla re wetša lena le tsa re le tla re bolaya mare ke botho ya botse masepaleng a utswa tšhelete ore Eskom a utswa tšhelete botse normal tša dino re mamang belijunyo gore o isha lena
hey bakwethu ngesikhathi ugesi singenawo uleleti Nkosi ubethola ama gift wena Lamborghini wena Mercedes wena Mtontoni wena Porsche wahamba yiswe Paris ayoshophe ubona uthi shopping yamamillion le ashophe uleleti Nkosi ubethi mayedansa futhi ubenza show mayedansa ukuthi uyavela umuzi ngemuva kwakuvela cela ukuxoxela ukuthi kwakuvela umuzi ongazi noma isonto noma iUnisa noma imoli noma yini ngimxoxele kuvela imention benza show nje ukuthi mayedansa imention ngemuva yavela nje yabona nje background yakhe iyavela ukuthi udansela ngakuphi ubone nje umuzi uthi ya khona la embomboza khona heba esibukile imanga khona la embomboza khona iLamborghini embomboza roboting athi bom ma usiyabonga Nkosi asizwa ngabantu ukuthi imali uyenzini sibonile imali upoyile umfazi wakhe phambi kwethu usi kanje simbonile asizwe ukuthi beku my husband bought me this my husband bought me that umuntu obevuka ngophaqa weGucci Umtotosile. Kiwa phesheya, ama-Lamborghini, ama-Porsche, ama-BM, ama-Mercedes. Ayibo, lwabhuti ungathi ubevela lale avuke athi zompoyila ngani umfazi wami. Avuka yopoyila umfazi wakhe. Yabona nje ubuyihalela le yampilo kaleleti. Umbuka ukuthi muhle. Ubone ukuthi yazi noma ngayihalela nje impilo kalo ngengiyithole lo muhle lo futhi uhlakaniphile udokotela lo. Sizoyithini into yadokotela uma ubone nje ukuthi abo impilo engengize ngiphile lo muhle kakhulu futhi aphinde abo udokotela. So nje ngingenaphi lapho mina uma uphuma emabhozini kungcono uvuke ekseni umbone ukuthi wenzeni. Kanti imali yagesi sahlala singenawo ugesi. Ugele iswe France. Asina gesi. Ugesi mawufila ulungiswa. Ayibo akuchazi ukuthi udla imali kagesi ethini qala. Thina sichazelo kuvele kuthiwa nje bani 75 million linked to Eskom tender. Bekwe yagesi yini na khona sizokwazi ukuthi ngesikhathi sihlupheka sibolelwa ukudla emafrijini nanga umuntu odla imali kagesi. Yebo bekuyimali kagesi yokuthenga ikhadi le country o bekuyimali yokucleana ka Eskom. Yebo basichazele hayi bekuyimali yama cleaners ka Eskom, hayi bekuyimali yama security ka Eskom. Yebo kuchazwe bandla nkosami thina abangesifundile akuchazwe ukuthi eyani udla imali yekhadi la gesi le country yini. Uyayibona le nto khona sizokwazi ukuthi noma sihlangana naye emall sithi wena sis wena bhuti masimbone restaurant simkhumbuze ukuthi wena ngobani wadla imali yekhadi sangaba na ugesi kwabola inyama yami lembi yami efrijini wena wathatha imali waye France. Yebo ngoba hayibo ungadla imali kanje kodwa ke sekuthiwa uyaphila ke imali entshontshiwe ungayidla kanje. Yabo nje ilast number yabo ilast number nje kaleleti a few days ago ufaka iVidi inkomo engakanani mhlawumbe ezu-3000 bezivaccinatwa ke engakanani inkomo. Yashutha igeli as usually. Yashutha. Guys, kushuthi lama husband lawa awabatshela abafazi ngiyasola nama side chick nobani ukuthi ningapost. Ngoba ukuba bayatshelwa ngabe bapost. You understand? Ukuba yabo nje if kwakungekho le tinkosi ngaba sazi ngabe thusi yabonga udla imali asimazi ukuthi uyenzeni. Mhlawumbe sasithi uyasukela uyenzeni imali engaka ngaba siyazi ukuthi uyenzeni. Ngikhumbula kahle nje ka Twitter kwaze kwathegwa bona lawa ama-hawks kwathiwa ake investigate umkhwenyana walintombazane ngoba yayenza kakhulu. UTwitter nje waze wathi investigate wadelete ama-video wadelete kodwa thina kade saqala ukumlandela vele sasesibonile ukuthi laba baphila is-2030 laba. Hayi guys ngeke laba bayantshontsha ukuthengela imoto kanti ezibizayo. Shuthi imali yahlanyisa ngempela. Ungathenga iLamborghini, uthenga uPorsche into efanayo njalo. Hayi nangu lo munye wathenga imoto eblue, uthenga ama-BM, uthengela izintombi ama-Porsche, uthengela izintombi ini nani. Haye sombonga ngani umkhwanazi. Badlalile ngathi abantu baka social media. Umuntu uze uzinyanye wena, uzibone ngathi unebhadi, uzibone ngathi awusebenzi, kanti umuntu uyayintshontshela nje. Uzibone ngazi ukuthi nje wena impilo yakho, i-boyfriend yakho ayikwenzeli lutho. Boyfriend yakho useless. Sihlule ukuthengela uPorsche. Khwenyana wakho uhlule ukuthenga iLamborghini. Ungazi ushiya umkhwenyana wakho kanti bayayintshontshela lapha. abona nje ngisakalela impilo kamuntu futhi ungcono nanothwele kunalo ntshontshayo aye ngoba kunewezivili phakathi kushothi kulabantu bakaMadlanga umuntu ohluphekayo ubani umkhwanazi uJulius ngoba yena ngakaboni nje ngangambone eyifudumezela isavana angikaze ngibone Lamborghini angikaze kushuthi ubeyixakekele nje ubethola nje wona lawo masentshana kodwa ke yena mkhostile ke ngoba phela mkhosti itoho uyayibona leyo akasibone wa vacation mhlawumbe azabone ngisho iFrance leyo ubemane bedlala ngaye nje kodwa uleleti inkosi hayi.
I really think one of my biggest fears is marrying rich and successful, or at least like taking a shortcut into, you know, becoming successful, and then years later I get investigated for corruption, or my husband gets investigated for corruption, and the government takes everything. Like, you genuinely think our justice system is useless until they finally catch you. Oh, everyone suffers when the government is on your ass. Everyone who benefited, everyone is going to feel the wrath of the government. I think that is one of my biggest fears. And bona, don't get me wrong, ke rata chelete. There isn't a day that goes by ritumetse asabolele ka chelete. Ke rata mal. But I would rather be where I am right now in this tax bracket forever than know that I'm going to be disgustingly rich and then lose it all. I don't like losing things. I barely like losing a lip gloss. I don't know how I'm going to cope with losing money. Like, fuck. And then I love a good shortcut. Don't get me wrong. I love a good shortcut. I don't like to work hard. I like to work smart. But fuck, if the government ever catches me, I'd kill myself. I'm not going through all of that. I can't.
Uyabona ngapha silo corruption, ngapha silo ubufebe. Ubufebe kuphela obuzokwenza ubheke icriminal or isigebengu bese uthi hawu kodwa Nkosi yami sengiyamzwela ubufebe ngani zethu nihlushwa ubufebe. Kuhanjwa ama trips nje kudliwa imali zethu ze tax kuthengwa Gucci no what ngeimali zethu ze tax ngenxa yobufebe.
I saw this video earlier on of this guy saying that I work about society ne are ntho tinang ka bone ke gore ba rata go tla mo ba dire ekare ba iperekella tsone dilo tse bana leng tsone and make other women feel less off because they don't have the things that they have in kanti this whole time tse ba happy wa ke ba nna eng yo o monkolo go tse ba motsetse le dikgomo ya tsa go reka dikgomo go tse farm ba confiscate kwa sa dikoloi a lese dikgomo go tse a lese ba confiscate ze monna gaga a ke tlo bua maina batho because nna ke na le di lawyer ga mare like how I could show if they can support that because Shashalaza FC mare ba motsetse dikgomo skat go tse koloi go tse dintlo di properties a lese gone.
Hey, kwaze kwashuba bo. Kwaze kwashuba. Ayini yamkhumbula nangusisi. Indoda yakhe ke hayi cha bafrize wonke ama account ukushubile. Cha, took always to see. So this shows guys ukuthi ningabo khalela into zabantu because we don't know how they acquired them. So yeah, kwaze kwanisima egoli. Yeah, so yeah, just thought to share this with you guys. So if you don't know, this is a businessman. He was a service provider at Eskom, and then azange aze ayenze umsebenzi wakhe wathengela umfazi wakhe imoto izindlu yeah ngemali estate. So yeah, I thought to share this with you guys. And usesangithi namazi lo, yes, yena ke udokotela lo who used to show us the lavish lifestyle. So yeah.